Why does choosing the right car tire matter? It's a question that might sound trivial, but the answer can significantly impact your driving experience. The car tire is the only part of your vehicle that contacts the road. It's a crucial factor in your car's performance, safety, and fuel efficiency. So, let's dive into the world of car tires, shall we? First on our journey are the summer tires. These are the divas of the tire world, thriving under the spotlight of warm temperatures. Their unique composition allows them to maintain flexibility, ensuring optimum grip on both dry and wet roads. However, they can be a bit of a prima donna when the temperature drops below 7 degrees Celsius, losing some of their grip and performance. Next, we have the all-season tires, the jacks of all trades. They are designed to perform reasonably well in all conditions, from the blistering heat of summer to the chilling cold of winter. Their tread patterns and rubber compounds are a compromise between those found on summer and winter tires. However, like all jacks of all trades, they master none, meaning they may not provide the same level of performance as specific summer or winter tires. Moving on, we encounter the winter tires. These are the Vikings of the tire world, designed to conquer the harsh winter conditions. Their rubber compound remains flexible even in extreme cold, providing excellent grip on snow and ice. The tread patterns on these tires are also specially designed to expel snow, reducing the risk of aquaplaning. Then we have the performance tires, the athletes of the tire world. They are designed for speed and agility, with a focus on sharp handling and high-speed capabilities. These tires typically have larger tread blocks for maximum road contact, allowing your car to hug the road at high speeds. However, they may not provide the same level of comfort or longevity as other tire types. Lastly, we have the off-road tires, the adventurers of the tire world. These tires are built tough, designed to tackle the most challenging terrains. They have deep, aggressive tread patterns to provide traction in mud, sand, and rocks. However, their rugged design can make them noisy on regular roads and less efficient in terms of fuel consumption. So, to wrap things up, remember that choosing the right car tire is crucial for your driving experience. Summer tires excel in warm temperatures. All-season tires are versatile performers. Winter tires conquer the cold. Performance tires are built for speed and agility, while off-road tires are designed for tough terrains. Each tire type has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice depends on the conditions you usually drive in and your driving style. Choose wisely and enjoy your ride.